In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Google Sites. Let's begin by opening Google Sites. Log in with your Google account credentials. Simply go to the Google Sites webpage. There you'll find a sign in button at the top right corner. After clicking sign in, enter your email address, press next, then type your password and click on sign in again. If you're already logged into your Google account, you'll skip this step and directly land on the Google Sites homepage. Now we're at the exciting part where you start building your landing page. On the Google Sites dashboard, you'll find an option to create a new site or edit an existing one. For our purpose today, we'll focus on creating something fresh. Your next move is to structure your site by adding pages. On the screen, you'll see a sidebar menu. Locate the Pages tab and click on it. This area allows you to manage the different pages of your Google site. To add a new page, simply look for a plus icon, often found near the bottom of this sidebar. Click it and you're on your way to creating a new page. After clicking on the plus icon, a prompt will ask you to name your new page. This is where you decide what your landing page should be called. Choose a name that's concise and reflects the content or purpose of the page. Type the name in and take a moment to make sure it's exactly what you want. Once you're satisfied with the name of your page, click Done. This action confirms the creation of your new page. It's as simple as that, but we're not done just yet. After your page has been created, it's time to define its role in your website. Find the three dots next to your new page's name in the sidebar menu. Clicking these dots brings up several options, but for now we're interested in just one. Make home page. Selecting this will set your newly created page as the landing page of your Google site. This means that whenever someone visits your site, this is the first page they'll see. And there you have it. You've successfully created and set a landing page on your Google Sites website. Remember, Google Sites is a powerful tool that allows for a lot of creativity. You can further customize your landing page by adding content, images, and even embedding videos or other media to make it as engaging as possible for your visitors. Take the time to explore all the features Google Sites offers to make your landing page truly unique. Thank you for joining me today to learn about creating a landing page on Google Sites. I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy website building,